Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's 2-minute English lesson. The first phrase we will look at today is bus stop near here? Here's the situation. You're visiting a new and interesting country. You need to find a bus. You need to find a bus stop. So, you find a local person and you stop them and you ask them, "Is bus stop near here?" They look at you a little strangely, but they seem like they understand and they point to a nearby bus stop. Why did they look at you strangely at first? Here, the problem is the question. If you say, "Is bus stop near here?" people will generally understand what you want to ask. But this is not correct English. Instead, you should say this: "Is there a bus stop near here?" This is correct. Now, if you want to make this question even better, you should first say, "Excuse me." So the question will look like this. "Excuse me, is there a bus stop near here?" This phrase can be used for any location or place that you are looking for. "Excuse me, is there a bank near here?" "Excuse me, is there a convenience store near here?" You can also change near here to nearby. These have the same meanings. For example, "Excuse me, is there a bus stop nearby?" Today, we looked at the question, "Is bus stop near here?" We learned that this question is wrong. The correct way to ask about the location of a place or a store is, "Excuse me, is there a bank near here?" Or, "Excuse me, is there a convenience store near here?" That's it for today's super short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. I'm your teacher Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.